As you approach the Westwood Park and Ride, you'll notice the I-69 HOV/express lane rising above the highway level. Merge into the right lane to exit using the elevated ramp. Slow down as you approach. The right turn is extremely sharp. Follow the ramp down to the parking lot below. At the bottom of the ramp, express drivers take the left lane, HOV drivers take the right lane. At the stop sign, make a left turn. Follow the road through the parking lot. It will dead end at the I-69 feeder road. Stop at the dead end and look to your left. When it is safe, make a right turn. Mission accomplished. You have reached Westwood.